We've finally finished our river pour table, our camphor laurel. I can pick all the mistakes, but it's come up pretty good. Look how these checks jump out at you. So this was done river pour using the Lucy Clear, filled him up, then we machined it and both sides, and on this side we've done the pour on gloss. Look how it jumps out at you. The character in the timber is absolutely magnificent. I'm not happy with the pour because we ended up with some air bubbles, but we'll fix that. We'll just grind it back and start again. And the other side, which is your more durable side, we've done with aqua coat. So this had a couple of coats of aqua coat on it and let it dry, and it ran into the centre and ended up with some runs. So I sanded it and put another 3 coats on top. That's looking pretty good. I reckon with another 2 or 3 coats you'd have a really nice gloss and filled in grain, and it makes it tough. You know, I can scratch that and not worry about it. And that's only 2 days old. It takes 4 days to fully cure. Beautiful product, beautiful finish.